Hi, I'm Jake Janke. Welcome to my chemistry vlog. Today I'll be explaining to you the chemistry behind octanitrocubane and how its molecular structure gives it some very exciting properties. Also, I'll give you some reasons why this molecule is particularly important to me personally. Octanitrocubane is a new type of synthetic nitrocarbon. That is, it belongs to the functional group of nitrogen. Octanitrocubane has a chemical formula of C8NO28. This means that the molecule consists of a carbon skeleton with nitrogen dioxide branching from each carbon atom. As you can see, the carbon is arranged in a cube shape, and the nitrogen dioxide branches away from the cube. But what actually is octanitrocubane? It is a high explosive. In fact, potentially the highest conventional explosive known to man. This implies that octanitrocubane contains much energy, and through this vlog, you'll see how this is primarily due to the shape of the molecule. Octanitrocubane is similar to cubane, with the hydrogen atoms replaced with nitrogen dioxide. This is important due to the fact that the nitrogen dioxide is a great oxidizer. That is, it will readily give up its oxygen atoms, and this obviously helps the combustion process. Nitrocarbons are also explosive due to the fact that there is a great deal of energy released in the thermal decomposition of nitrocarbons. The reaction of octanitrocubane is primarily the breaking of carbon bonds of the structure. The reason octanitrocubane is the most explosive of the nitrocarbons is because of its cube structure. Nitrocarbons naturally want to take a tetrahedral shape with bond angles 109.5 degrees. Obviously, the cube shape of octanitrocubane has bond angles of 90 degrees, thus straining the carbon bonds, hence storing energy which must be released when the bonds are broken. Surprisingly though, the molecule is incredibly kinetically stable and can undergo shock without reacting. It is also worth noting that octanitrocubane is very dense, which increases its effectiveness as an explosive as you get more energy in a smaller volume. So to summarize, octanitrocubane is a high explosive. It is explosive due primarily to the large energy stored in its 90-degree bonds and the oxidizing nitrogen dioxide branching from it. It is also important to note that it is very dense, and this makes for an even better explosive. Now, why is octanitrocubane so important to me? The truly awesome power of octanitrocubane encouraged me to study more and more about math and science to learn about explosions, and hence persuaded me to now be an engineering student. So in a way, octanitrocubane shaped my future career. Hope you have all learned something about chemistry. Until next time.